Nose Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome to my kitchen. I hope you continue to stick around, but I thank all of you for your love and support to my channel. Excuse my breaks in my voice. I'm battling, getting over some bronchitis. So thank you for your understanding. Okay, what we are going to do, we're going to be making turkey dressing casserole. I know you probably have heard of it, but those of you that have not, it's turkey dressing casserole. It's really good. This is what I eat on Thanksgiving Day. Instead of the turkey with the dressings on the side and all that, I eat the turkey dressing casserole, okay? So I will be, give me a moment, we're going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started so I can show you everything that you need so you can make this at home too. It's just something different on the table, all right, for this holiday, all right? I will be right back. Okay, first you're going to need a nice bowl. Well, first you need nice, clean, dry, sanitized hands. All right, we're going to use a nice size bowl. Okay, this is 4 cups of cornbread, crumbled cornbread, not Jiffy Mix. You want some good Southern dressing like Grandmama and Big Mama and Auntie. You need cornbread, real cornbread. So you need to make your cornbread ahead of time. Make your cornbread. You can make it a day ahead, the night before, or you can make it that, just make sure you make it ahead of time. Not Jiffy Mix. No, we're not going to do Jiffy Mix, nieces and nephews, okay? We're going to do real cornbread, okay? This is 4 cups of cornbread already crumbled up. And if you see some little big pieces, that's okay, because it's all going to get blended in. Some shredded turkey. Now, if you don't have shredded turkey, you can use some shredded chicken. This is some shredded turkey from when I did my upload on roasting my turkey. You can put as much turkey in here as you want to. 2 large eggs. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Now, Campbell's. Now I know about the Walmart and Kroger, they pay companies to put it in their can, but sometimes they use knockoff. Walmart cream of chicken soup is a lighter color and it's not as intense flavor. Campbell's, that's the best, and it's $1 this time of the year. You're gonna need some. If you cook your turkey ahead of time, get that broth. Now I'm going to skim this fat off the top of this turkey broth. So I don't know how much of this I'm going to use. I'll use a measuring cup. You need some salt and some black pepper to your taste. Right here I have 1 1/4 cups of milk. 1/4 cup of diced onion. 1/4 cup of celery. 1/4 cup of bell pepper. Okay. Oh, and sage. How can I forget that? Now, we got to get that sage in there. Dressing is not, we say dressing here in the South now. We say dressing. Dressing ain't dressed without that sage now. And now you put too much sage. I'm going to tell you how much don't go in here. We're going to go in here with a tablespoon of sage. Now, you put too much sage in there, your dressing is going to come out looking gray like that street out there, okay? So you be careful about that sage now, right? 1 tablespoon of sage to this particular recipe. Now, if you want to double this recipe, you go to a tablespoon and a half. Sage is very strong. And you must use ground sage. Okay? We're going to get our cornbread in. We're going to go ahead. We're going to get our wet ingredients in here first. All right? Except the eggs. And I'll tell you why the eggs will last in a minute. Okay, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of my broth. That good old broth that I use. I'm going to be adding 2 cups of that in here. And I have a little bit left, so I may add that in. I'll see how my consistency look. Going to be adding my 1 1/4 cup of milk in here. Going to go ahead and add my 2 cans of that cream of chicken soup. And have you 2 spoons on the side, 2 nice clean little teaspoons, because you're going to have to do a little tasty. And you're going to go ahead and get this mixed in together. And if I see little pieces of chunks of corn bread, it's okay. I'm going to throw my celery in, my onions. I'm going to ahead throw my bell pepper in. Add my turkey. I know you was like, oh, it should have looked soupy. It's fine. It is just fine. See how the turkey just soaked a lot of the moisture up. It is fine, guys. I've been making this for years. Years. And the reason why I make this is because it's easier for me to put it in my processor and to eat it than trying to put dressing in the processor, then put the turkey in the processor. So I'm going to get my eggs, break them up a little bit. Now you can use a hand mixer to do this, to blend all that up in there. Now when I said the reason why my eggs will go last, because I need to taste this to make sure it's where I want it. Okay, I'm going to add my tablespoon of sage once I get my measuring spoon. Okay, we're going to level off your ingredients. Level them off, because that's how you make sure that you have the exact measurement. You level off your ingredients like that, your flours and your meals. Throw that in there. Over there for a little housekeeping. I'm going to add my salt. I'm using my pink Himalayan salt. And I'm going to use my coarse black pepper. And black pepper, your salt, you add it to your taste. I'm a pepper girl. And you know what, dressing smells so good. Cooking smells so good. Now you know that fat I skimmed off the top of that this broth. I still have some left. You can use that. If I had more of it, I could just make my gravy. Hold on, guys. Get your oven preheated to 375. Go in there, they all get heated. Now you got to get your tasty spoon. That's why I say you keep your little. You don't need. Depending on how much you want to tasty, and you want to make sure. Always taste your food before you add those eggs in. Yum yum. It's where I want it. So now I can go ahead and add old Henny Penny. Old Henny Penny can go in now. The sky is rolling. The sky is rolling. So see, this is my turkey dressing casserole. Make sure, because I want to make sure those eggs are put in. A little housekeeping. So I'm going to take my whisk. Oh, yum yum. Whew. I love turkey. I could eat turkey year round. That's why I buy two. I buy 2 turkeys. Because I cook them and then I freeze them in batches. That way I can eat. I can have turkey for a little bit. I'm gonna make sure I get all my turkey off of this baby, honey. I ain't even know. You get off of here. You going in this pan. Because you're gonna get in my belly. My dad's birthday is tomorrow. Yeah, he'll be gone 2 years this December. Okay, I'm going to get my pan and we're going to get this in the oven. Once my oven hits that 375 mark. Hold on. See, I have my pan already sprayed. I guess you guys probably said, that lady, auntie always got those aluminum pans. Yeah, I get them at Sam's. And I will continue to use them. All my cute little what are Temptations and Pyrex, they out in the garage on a tote. I'm not trying to be Laura Ingalls Wilder. That's old, that's gone out the door. I have to make my life as easy as possible. So this is going to go in the oven, and it's going to bake for about an hour. This is going to take an hour. So I will see you guys later, and I'm going to have me something hot. Have something hot, you know, when you, I'm tell you, I'm not a doctor. I'm talking about how I do it. Have me something hot. It helps, along with my other stuff, it helps with the opening up the, anyway. Okay, so I forgot what I was saying, guys. I will see you guys in a minute. Let me get this in the oven. Once it heats up, and we'll be back. Got 7 more minutes. Actually, it's going to cook for an hour and 35 minutes. So I have like 7 minutes left. But I hope you guys are ready. I am ready. I have the lemons, because I always make fresh lemonade for holiday meals for them. So these are gonna get all nice and rolled. That Caitlin can do that, you know, the Pamper Princess. And definitely gotta have my pickled peaches, honey. Pickled peaches, pickled peaches. Oh, if you don't know what these are, I mean, maybe you millennials don't know, but if you from the country woods down there, you know what pickled peaches are, you know, and chow chow. I can't eat chow chow anymore, but they had sell it spicy and they sell it unspicy. And that's something, I didn't learn how to make this with my grandmother. This and chow chow. Those are the only 2 things that I didn't learn from her. And, you know, I should have, because I loved her pickled peaches and her apple and pear jelly preserves. You know, back then they just called it jelly, honey. Boo, she made the best apple. We're apple trees, you know. And so got about 6 minutes now, but I just had to show you guys, because I go to this little country store, and where they make everything, and I just love this because they local, and they have a honey farm, and they just make everything. And I love going in there because Grandpa being there with his overalls on, and he can talk you when he get new honey knives. He love to talk about them, honey. And Mama, she don't talk as much as Daddy do, but I love that store. It's so country, and they have those boiled peanuts going. Now you know I'm not taking Caitlin, honey. We're not dealing with nuts. But I just love that store. So I got my pickled peaches. I did all the collards yesterday. When I say I did all the collards, I really mean I had like a stock pot, like about the length of this board, and wider than this board. So those are all done. So I don't have to worry about, I don't want to steal another collard green. And I'm eating green beans. Caitlin doesn't eat collards really, so she wants Brussels sprouts. She doesn't eat dressing, so she's gonna have sweet potato cornbread. So it's not a contagious cough, guys. It's an asthmatic cough. So I am going to see y'all guys in about 4.5 minutes. We're gonna be back with this dressing, with turkey dressing casserole. Guys, I got my dressing is all out. Now I'm gonna take me a little I always take a little butter and rub it all the way atop of my dressing. I don't feel like walking all the way over there to that drawer to get me a fork. So I'm just gonna melt this butter. I could have just melted it in the microwave and brushed it on, but I'm lazy today. I'm entitled to have me a lazy day. So I'm going to get some butter melted on here. And I do this to all my dressing. I melt butter on top of it. Gives it that oomph. Upgrade. Upgrade flavor. So I'll be right back once this get melted down. Come on, y'all. Let's dig in. Now, you know it ain't good eating. It ain't good eating without this now, you know. And the thing about this, nobody eats cranberry sauce but mother, okay? Nobody but me. So I'm finna dig into this. It's so hot. I got that turkey in here. That's what I love. That's why this is my go-to. See, I can just throw that in there, and I'm just gonna do this to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, here. See, your turkey is already in here. Slap some gravy on this, in which I'm going to be doing some gravy. Easy turkey gravy. Got the cranberry sauce going on in here. That's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. So, this is it. Turkey dressing. Ooh, what was I thinking? Turkey dressing casserole. Look at that, all day. And what I did put it on broil for about 5 minutes, but I washed it really carefully because, you know, broil on a gas stove, gas oven, it's really fast. So here it is. I hope you guys can see this. Got your turkey in there. Now you can make your turkey big chunks, or you can shred it down. It depends on how you like your turkey shredded down or chopped up. And you can do it your way, okay? Because when you do this, it will be yours, okay? All right. Hold on, nieces and nephews. Thank you guys for hanging out and watching my video on how do you make this delicious turkey dressing casserole. It's something different, I know. But, you know, hey, it's all in one pan. You put that gravy on there, throw that cranberry sauce to the side. You know, it's all in one pan. You know, no need to have two separate dishes. But like I said, you can, the way you want your turkey in it, you make it yours. And again, thank you guys for all your love and support. Thank you guys for all your love and support to my channel. I appreciate it all. To next, hugs and kisses to each of you. And for those of you that I would not be viewing my channel before Thanksgiving, I wish you and your family a happy, safe, and blessed Thanksgiving. Okay? Love you guys. Bye.